What's up, guys? Mitchell from Blaze Off-Road, and I'm super excited because today, look, it may be a small one, but it's new machine delivery day. We have a vertical crimping machine here today for our battery cables to speed up production. Right now, we can make, I guess, about 60 to 100 cables per hour by hand with essentially a hand crimper that we've been using for a while. We do multiple crimps on it. We've pull tested the cables. They do meet all the specifications from Molex and from TriStar, the cable manufacturer. But it's just so slow. Wears your hands out. So I went ahead and ordered. We finally received, after quite a while of waiting, a new vertical crimp machine. And this is the first of many machines that we're getting in. So I'm super excited for this. We're going to get this nearly 400-pound crimping machine off the bed of the truck and onto a bench so that we can start playing with it. We'll see if I can even slide this thing. This is gonna be great.
I woke up today feeling like royalty. The sky is dripping gold and wrapping around me. Life can be so wonderful.
That's a good crate. Holy crap.
Warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so.
It's almost 400 pounds for the whole crate. I think this thing by itself is like 350 because this massive cast iron base on it. Like this whole superstructure of this thing is like basically a big inch and a thick cast iron base, which also worries me about putting it up on a wooden workbench. Like, I kind of need to build a pedestal for it, but I also kind of need to get orders out. So for now, we're just gonna stand it up.
Go straight to it?
Yep. Oh, it's heavy. Holy heavy, dude. Oh my god.
Feeling divine, I'm feeling the vibes. I feel like it's more than just a feeling, what we could define. Let's break through the ceiling, see what limits that we could defy. Cause I could do anything I want, it's for me to decide.
It's ready to turn on. That was anticlimactic.
Oh, I thought something was going to happen.
Well, if I do. Oh, oh boy. So what's crazy is this die cost as much as this machine. I don't know. This is a precision machining, the parameters, I have no idea. But it costs as much as the machine. And I didn't expect that when I bought the machine. Oh, this is a counter. Oh. Okay. Clean. I think it should be clear, but... Alright. Holy crap. That's not coming off. Let me get some pliers. This is not an official pull test. This is not how we pull test. We send cables off to get pull tested, and we'll send some off before any of these ship to customers, but I'm pulling the sheathing off of the wire. Like, that's not coming off. Dude, this looks good. Alright, so I have a couple cables that actually need stuff put on them. Alright, so let's strip these and put some terminals on them. Boy.
You look like a kid in a candy shop.
Dude. That's crimped, dude. You know how much faster this is gonna be? Our production efficiency is skyrocketing with this. And then you just heat shrink it. Alright, so it's been a few weeks since we received the machine, got it set up, and started running it. And I've got to say, I am thrilled with this thing. You just come over here, you push a button right there on the side, turns it on, and you're ready to go. Look, the truth is, we have our whole thing about we make wiring easy, right? So wiring made easy, switching made simple. That's because we're doing the work on the back end for you. The truth is, it still kind of sucks to build wiring harnesses and build cable assemblies all day long. So having a machine like this that is much faster, and I mean, honestly, much more fun to use, is a great help in the shop. So morale is kind of through the roof every time we get a new machine. We got this machine. Now we have a Schleiniger Unistrip machine over here. That thing's excellent, and we'll make a video about that soon. But having a new machine in the shop that's fun to use, that makes the process way faster. We're talking seconds for a crimp instead of, it's like 3-4 seconds to do a crimp, 5 total loading the wire and stuff, as compared to, say, I don't know, 45 seconds to do a standard hand crimp on it. It's way faster, it's way more fun, it's easier to do. So let's dive in. I'll show you a little bit more about how it works.